Okay guys, now I'm going to explain to you a Goshi technique, hip technique. It's called Uki Goshi. Uki means floating, and then Goshi means hip. Okay? Going to start. On this side. Okay, now I'm going to explain a little bit. When Uki Goshi, we are putting our hands here, in the back, up, here, okay? Then we pull our hands like this, and then we put our hip, half hip here, okay? And we don't need to go too low, just from here. Then what we need to do is just turning our body and then a little bit jerking movement. Okay, like that. Now, in Goshi technique, they also named a technique named Goshi. O means big, Goshi means hip. So it's almost the same, but we do it from here, lift. And then go. One more. One, two, then go. Okay? Now, the difference between Uki Goshi and Ogoshi is two things. Uki Goshi, your hands here, and then pulling over here. Okay, move his body here. You cannot lift him by holding him like this. And Ogoshi, you put your hand around his hip over here. Okay, and then the other difference is in Uki Goshi, while we are holding higher here, our hip is only half over here. Okay, and then we cannot really lift him. We just have to do the floating. So it's floating. Okay? Now, Ogoshi, because it's big hip, this hip going all through in like this. Okay? While the hands around the belt and around the hip here, our hip is crossing. Here we can lift. Okay? Okay. Now we can do the shadow judo by doing like this. 1, 2. This is Uki Goshi. This is like that. Okay? 1, 2. You don't need to go lower. Just 1, 2. Yeah? In Ogoshi, you do this 1, 2. Then through. 1, 2. Then through. Okay? Now Ogoshi, still like the same other techniques, we can do it backward, forward, the way you like it. Okay? But it's easier for us to do it when we do forward and when we're doing circular. Okay? Try to start here.